The Night Before St. Patrick's Day by Natasha Wing. Illustrated by Amy Wummer. 'Twas the night before St. Patrick's, the day to wear green. Not a creature was stirring, except Tim and Maureen. They decked out the den from ceiling to floor with streamers and rainbows and shamrocks galore. Later they carefully made traps with gold charms and rings. I bet we catch a leprechaun. They love shiny things. For if they caught one, so the legend be told, they'd find where he buried his big pot of gold. They set all the traps round the room with great care, in hopes a wee Irishman soon would be theirs. The children they nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of gold coins danced in their heads. "Happy St. Patty's," said Dad early the next morning. Then he started to play bagpipes without warning. He huffed and he puffed an old Irish song. Mom dished out green eggs and sang loudly along. When from their bedrooms there rose such a clatter, the kids ran down the hallway to see what was the matter. And what to their wondering eyes should appear? But a terrible mess! A leprechaun was here! "Be quiet," whispered Maureen. "He's hiding somewhere. When we find him, remember, we must hold his stare. For if you look away, if you so much as blink, leprechauns vanish quick as a wink." The kids trailed muddy footprints back and forth across the floor. Which led them under Tim's bed and past the closet door. And then inside a trap they heard someone giggling. A real live leprechaun! They both saw him wiggling. His eyes, how they twinkled, his body so tiny. His hands clasped a trinket so golden and shiny. He was dressed all in green from his head to his toes, and he looked like a cobbler wearing fairy-sized clothes. The children approached him, staring straight in his eyes. "Tell us where the gold is. Don't be tricky. No lies. I buried it under a rock, smooth and hard. It's marked with an X right in your backyard. But when the kids went outside with their shovel and pick, they instantly saw it had been a trick. Ha ha, I fooled you. It's time to disappear. Happy St. Patty's Day to you, and better luck next year. Happy St. Patrick's Day. The end. I hope you've enjoyed this story, The Night Before St. Patrick's Day. Oh my goodness. Grandma really thought that after all that trouble that Maureen and Tim went through to set all those traps, Grandma thought that they might get the gold. But no, that leprechaun, he made a mess in their room that they're going to have to clean up. And even when they caught him, they had him. They had him right there in their trap. And they were staring at him. And they asked where the gold was. Oh no. That sneaky little leprechaun, he tricked them. I really thought that they were going to get the gold. Click that thumbs up button if you thought they were going to get the gold. But no, they tricked him. Oh well, maybe next year. Now make sure you click that thumbs up button so Grandma knows you liked this story. And also click that subscribe button and come back for more stories. Bye, Grandma.